who do you listen to first? There's the plant manager or executives or that have their specific goals, and they're focused on the longer term and some of the transactional stuff. And then you've got frontline operators, and they're dealing with the day to day and the urgent.
The frustrations of the job for sure
Yeah.
is always the one that blocks them. Yeah, working their way through it. It's
I think if you thrive on a little bit of adrenaline and never being bored, uh, there's plenty of challenges in manufacturing to think about.
my introduction to ops management. I was off doing commercial management contracts and stuff like that, and I wanted to get back into ops properly. And the CEO of the company at the time was like, "Here's the worst performing value stream in the whole business. Good luck." You kind of baptism by fire. But to that first point you got on the slide of like, once you jump in, it can be all consuming. And if you don't start to work your way back out of it and look at some of the other parts of the problem, it just turns into a vicious cycle of firefighting. I mean, you got some ops managers that's functioning what they're amazing at doing. It's just running around and putting out fires, but it never really moves the needle forward. It just keeps the status quo of what's going on.